Hi guys. What? There's a lot of ducks now. Ano mo yung ano? Jasmine, sa stroller.
That's my last bread. That's actually how.
Hay, ang bread, dinala ko yan para kainin natin, hindi ipakain sa pato.
Napapig nga eh. Picture.
Did you go? Pero ako galakaw. This is and 1, 2, 3, go.
Okay na?
Lucas!
Lucas!
Lucas! Enough!
Okay na? Okay na, ma? Oh! Man! Look!
Down. Ikaw talaga kasi patungo.
You don't see
It's
that.
not moving.
Turn right. We forgot to go to the church and pray. On the right side is the church, Mommy. Right side is the church. Ice cream shop. Hey, the clothing shop is open here.
The mall.
What?
I want to go get some ice cream.
Ah, I thought you watched how the ice cream looks like here. Sa Gravas. Look here, the kids' bike here.
Di ba may white yan sa gilid? I-picture mo din.
Ah, pinipicturean ka na.
Oh, look at
Oh, wait.
Ha? Sana, baby? So, ang ganda dito, no? Tingnan mo. Holiday kasi ngayon dito eh, kaya naglakad-lakad na naman kami. At syempre, mag-video-video tayo kahit marami tayong peklat. Buti nga nawala na yung ano ko, chicken pox ko. 4 days lang, natuyo na siya. And then, yung naiwan, peklat na lang. And then, syempre, kasi holiday, it's family bonding. Paora sila o gahulat sila na ako. Then, nagdala ko bread. Kaon ba sila bread? Oh. See? Now the bread, it's you'll eat the bread, my bread. What? Bread. You want to eat bread? Bread. Yay.
You
Still remember that.
telling that to
But Daddy didn't tell that to Grandma.
I told also grandma, mommy's friend.
What?
Mommy's always crunchy.
You said that to Grandma? You try that. Try to tell that. You're not my son anymore.
No, I'm Steve.
Lucas, you sleep na. What no?
It's also your parents.
You're not even the dad of Atija.
I know.
Because her dad is still drunk. Drunk?
The bicycle.
Oh.
Oh, Lucas, there's someone waiting for you. Look here, mommy. We're waiting for Lucas.
Uh-uh.
Oh, that's your parents.
What? Your parents?
No, that's Atija's parents. Since he was one.
You know. Wait, you think you need a break here? You can just
Don't like
hold the
that.
knee down. Yesterday, that's my whole tour. Yesterday. Lucas, put it down. And that's the bottle we get the money back. Hey, put it down. It's not yours.
I know. Oh.
You fly around after work just to see here this. Look at the bicycle here. That's what they do in summer. Look, camping, mommy. That's mommy, look at the right side. If you fall out, then it's not closed. It's not closed.
Dawag.
Ate just asked if Enzo's door is closed. I said yes, but if you fall out, then it's not closed.
May mga nangingisda nga dito guys. O, din mo, diba? Sabi ko sa inyo. Ganda dito guys, no? May namimingwit ng isda dito ba? Siguro makuha nila dito is ano ba? Isda sa tabang ba? Tabang isda. Oh, may mga ganun, oh. Land of the Caribbean. So,
Look,
ganda ng lake.
Oh,
Huh?
yes, it's fish.
May nangingisda din pala dito guys. Oh, pakita ko sa inyo. May nangingisda din dito. Oh, tingnan mo naman. Ang bongga. Oh God. Ganda ng lake, no? Pag summer, pwede maligo dito. Ang ganda ng tubig, oh. Oh, ang linaw. In summer, we can swim here, but now it's cold, kuya. Oh, may island daw dito. Island, lake. It's there.
But mommy, we're going to get bitten by a fish.
Bitten by fish. There's no fish. Kami scuba diving sa mata. Dali, dali. Scuba diving. Inikambak mo na bugsok imong ulo. Dali, dali. Nana. Marami nangingisda dito. Ngita silang papaitan. Papaitan sa amin yung maliliit na isda. Ganun ang pangalan. Ang tawag sa ganun sa amin. May ganun tawag sa amin. Asa papaitan sa amin, pero iba yung papaitan na niluluto. Ganda ng tubig, ang linaw. Oh, 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 ang linaw. Hey, ang lalim pa naman, oh. Uy, mursang langoy, dyan ko pag summer, di ba?
You see the fishes?
The fish is no fish.
Oh. Then why did we not swim today?
It's so freaking cold, kuya. Swim daw.
15 degrees. That guy's. Yeah.
Shut up, ha? Don't tell something. Oh, ba mo, dili mo pugman.
Mommy, I'm going up here.
Na, let's go na. Daddy's there. Come here na. Wala na naman si Daddy. Iwan na kami ng 3. Si Stefano, laging apurado to. Mabugbog ko talaga to. Oh.
Nag-iisa sila ka nag-aano din sila.
Yan sila, ang dalaw sila, oh. Oh. Ayan sila, oh. Naapurado. Hello, Bobby! Apurado yung tatay mo. Oh, where go? Where go? Where go lagi daw? Bibi! Pam! So, where I go? Where I go? Bye! Ganda dito, oh. Ano ba tong camera ko? Ay, ang dumi. Ano? Where are you going? They give all the bread. They wanted to give the bread all to the duck.
What?
That's for eating.
I just gave a bit.
They want to.
Yeah, they want to holiday.
If you just touch the water, it's nice. Touch it.
Hey, if you fall in the water, I don't drive home, no? You walk the whole day with the wet clothes.
And Lucas. Oh, no.
Are you done?
I don't wanna dance. Mango! Where's the fish? There, the fish is there. Mango. Chikading. Oo, akit.
I said don't bring the stroller, just the jacket.
Dapat gani ang video diri sa likod pa anak mo Tapos picture ang sarapan. Okay lang. Hinahinaya ay paspasa kay para di malibat ang tanaw.
Lucas, can you put it
Where go? Where go? Where go? Where is where go? O, dito ka naman sa likod. Where go?
Yeah, there. Let's leave it there. Okay.
Where go? Where go? Where go?
So,
Go.
which house you like? The one at the lake there? The
Yeah,
nice
this
view?
one. This one, oh. La, it's nice to
Look
swim
what's in
here,
the
loves.
village
Oh.
there, no?
Oo.
This house there. Lucas, don't make him
Sit down,
very
baby.
properly. I'm so cold. I cannot. That's why I said bring the jacket.
Dito ka mag-video sa likod, oh, habang nasa... Mama! Guys, sobrang ganda dito. Oh my God, wala na si Stefano at saka yung dalawang bata. Saan kaya sila? Ganda dito, no? Tingnan mo. May lake. Oh, there they are. Tingnan mo yung puno. Ang ganda. Bongga. Sa lake. Nandito kami sa lake. Pwede pala mag-picnic dito. O kasi mayroong pwede ihaw. Saan ka pupunta? So mag-ihaw tayo ng isda. Oh, it's very nice here.
Why? You think I bring you to a pangit place?
Wow.
Look at you there, huh?
Tijas akin na. Yay, ang cute. Oo. So hungry naman.
Next duck is also coming here.
The what? Oo.
Wait, I get one here in front. Here. One, I get.
See?
I need to work out.
Workout. There's a duck, baby. Look at the duck. There's a duck. May sariling mundo din ng batang to.
Look at he's not jumping into water. Can you stop playing in the water?
Kami yan na, baby.
Nakita ka niya eh, dun sa ano.
Look at that.
Sabi niya, "Wow, go, 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 go."
Just. Oh, there's a river.
Oh, wala la.
So,
Eh, look, tas matingnan mo.
nasa laybusay dari o sa pa. Oh, Lucas. Visible pa rin yung ating mga chicken pox ano peklat. Oh.
Wala ka na, no?
Nabutang ko kung ano ka ng sunscreen. Medyo hindi siya maklaro na pero guys, tingnan niyo yung view namin, oh. O, diba? Nandito kami sa lake. Ang bongga. Diba?
Actually, I should kick you in the water here.
No, it's actually nice. Oh no. Not that
Come
cold.
here.
Not that cold.
Mommy, put him here inside.
Perfect.
Then later you can go. Mommy. Oh, there's a doggy. Doggy. Yeah, the doggy. Yeah. Mommy. Oh.
Hi!
Can we touch the water? Valbella. Nice bell.